2017 Ford F-Series Super Duty First Drive. The 2017 Ford Super Duty is big, a fact that cannot be ignored. Whether you're looking at an F250, F350, or F450, it's larger in just about every dimension than its predecessor, and at or near the top of the bigness charts among heavy duties. About the only thing that's smaller is the blue oval in the grille, but that just means there's more room for chrome. As befits the segment, the Super Duty is more, too. The maximum towing capacity is higher than before, the cabs have more space, the engines are stronger. The spread of available toppings is wider-ranging, with more luxury features, tech add-ons, and available conveniences than any other heavy-duty offers. You can even drive at longer distances. A newly available 48-gallon tank makes a non-stop 1,000 miles passable, and a new quad cup holder means you won't need to stop for coffee for at least that long. You get more space for humans in the cab, too. All three regular, Super Cab, and Super Crew are shared with the F150. The floor in the rear of the Super Cab and Super Crew is flat, which allowed Ford to add a new lockable under-seat storage compartment for the Super Duties that you can see in the second video in the playlist below. Engineers point out that one advantage of the shared cabs is an easier flow of advancements between the F150 and the Super Duties, or Duties.